worst is to have to put on your wet clothes from the night before. Ugh, so wet. Good morning. Well, we have a new thing to talk about now besides my pack. My sleeping pad. I was having issues. And I just bought it at Damascus and I love it. It's so comfortable. But it just kept like losing air last night. Like not completely like flat, but just enough to be kind of like make it a little like not feel as comfortable. Because it's such a comfortable pad. I love it so much. And I'm so disappointed. I don't think there's somebody there. Oh. Somebody set up over there. Anyway, so I was having to kind of deal with that all night. Like I kept waking up and blowing air into it, and it'd work for a little bit, and then it would do it again. So I don't know if I should contact Big Agnes and see if they might send me another one. I mean, I got it at an outfitter in Damascus. So, and I don't have a receipt or anything like that. So I don't know. I noticed when I Googled about it that seems to be a common problem with that particular pad, which kind of stinks. I'm going to try to see when I get to the place I'm stopping today. I'm going to see if I can figure it out. You know, I'm hoping there's like a river or something close by. They say if you submerge it in water, you can look for bubbles. But I'm only going to do 10 miles today. It just poured rain last night and I get completely soaked. So I want to be able to dry my tent out and dry myself out and try to figure out my pad. And also, on top of the pad, that liner I bought was not warm enough last night, man. I got actually kind of cold, which is weird because I think the lows were like 70. So I don't really understand that. My throat's not clear this morning. But anyway, you know, this is just part of this adventure. You know, all these little mishaps. But it's okay. It's not going to take me off trail or anything like that. I mean, if the worst, I'll sleep on the ground. And that's what's going to happen. But if I can be a little bit more comfortable, that would be nice too. But there was a lady who she was just doing a section. But she was like, she had her tent and her sleeping bag and she was sleeping on the ground. Like she didn't even have a pad. And I have that pink pad. And I mean, at worst, I can use that with like my sleeping bag or something. The gnats are already starting. So either way, I mean, I also have an X light, which Jerry can send to me. So it's like, it's not the end of the world. But that's just things that I'm dealing with last night. All right, well, let's get the day started. There's supposed to be some pretty cool views today, so I'm pretty excited about that. The sun peeking through. It's always so pretty. Ooh, look at the sunrise. Nice. So I'm doing a little bit of climbing right now. Got some of the rocks here starting. Really, I mean, honestly, I know I talk about the rocks, but I'm not really talking about them. I mean, it's not that big a deal. I mean, I don't know. I don't think it is. Even the big rocks, it's like whatever. I mean, it is what it is out here. But I like to point it out for people in case you want to know what the trail looks like or what to expect. That kind of thing. I think people like to, after they do it, like to go, oh man, the rocks. So they can feel like tougher. That one day when it was just nothing but rock, I'm not gonna lie, my feet were pretty tender, but see, I mean, they don't have much rock now. So it's just, because I don't count this stuff here. I don't even count that. Look, you even have some dirt. But look, see, there's a lot of rocks though, if you look around. I don't know. I still have like 70 miles of the state. Maybe I'm going to be told wrong and I'm going to eat my words. It happens. But I will still survive. As long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. Going up that way. At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you. Oh Lord, that's funny. Oh, it's all good. Here's that cute ducky. Pretty. You made it! Oh, this is awesome.
Hey, by the way, can you sign us up here at the pool for 2?
Yeah, there's something over here. I don't know. Let's just go see. It might be a parking lot. I don't know. Oh, look at this place. This is cool. Wow. Astronomical Society. Oh, I used to want to be an astrologer. Astrologer? Astronomer. I used to want to be an astronomer when I was young. Study the stars. That's so cool. Taking me a short break. I've decided I'm taking a few breaks. Don't take enough. It's a nice cool breeze. Feels good right now. So the view you just saw a second ago was the Pulpit Rock. So yeah, that was really nice. And then I'm going to be coming to another view, the Pinnacle, which is supposed to be, I think, bigger, better, something like that. And I'll probably do my lunch there, but I'm just taking like a short, just taking my pack off, you know, just resting. I'm all wet. Well, my shirt was already wet, but it got even more wet with the sweat. And then over that way is, I'm pretty sure, a parking lot, because there's been a lot of day hikers that have come through this way. So, but man, this would be cool if these were like the, what do you call them? The I can't remember what they're called, but like we can go inside and like see the stars and stuff. I wonder if that's observatory. I think that's what that is. Down there. I don't know. Super cool though. Oh. Yep. Just relaxing. Oh, by the way, I just dawned on me. I don't know why I just thought of it. Happy 4th of July. Obviously, by the time you see this video, it will not be 4th of July. But today, the day I'm filming, is 4th of July. So I'll probably put up an Instagram post or something wishing everyone happy 4th of July. And while I'm thinking of it, I know I say this many times, but you can never say it enough. I just want to say thank you to all of you who have just not only left such amazing comments and been very supportive, but those who have, you know, reached out through PayPal to help me out, who have reached out to offer trail magic. It just truly means so much. I mean, there's not words. It means so much, because I honestly don't know if I could do the through hike the way I'm doing it without your all's help, truthfully. I mean, I could still do it, but I don't think I could do it to the level I'm doing it. And so I just want to say thank you. Thank you so, so, so much. You all have no idea how important you all are to me in my journey. And I think sometimes it's easy to think, well, oh, I wish I was doing something really epic. But just doing things like that, like, it makes such a huge difference in someone else's life. And that really does mean a lot. So thank you again. So now we're hiking to the pinnacle. It's just like another 2 miles. It's not too far. And it's pretty fairly level terrain. And then I'm really gonna take a break. This is neat. It's hard not to be wobbly on rocks. So I just met a really nice family who out just day hiking to the pinnacle. And I was kind of about to walk by them. I saw they had taken a break and they were eating, like they had this big bag of vegetables. It was like carrots and like cucumbers or something like that in their bag. I was thinking, oh man, that looks good. That's what I was thinking. But I wasn't like looking at them like I was a puppy and trying to, beg for it. I just thought that as I was hiking by. And then they kind of asked me if I was through hiking, and I told them. Anyway, they offered me some of the vegetables. So I got a bunch of carrots and red peppers and cucumbers, and they gave me an apple. Oh my God. It's so funny because I have noticed lately I've been like really craving that kind of stuff more. And I'm sure it's because I'm not getting it as much. Oh my God, but to get fresh vegetables and stuff and fruit, there's a lot of rocks. I probably shouldn't be using my phone. Let's see, here's what we got. That's what I'm working with. So we'll stop for a second. But anyway, now I'm not gonna say if somebody offered me a donut. Donut sounds good too, but it's like you do want things that you would never take on the trail. That's what you want to eat for trail magic. You don't want any kind of trail mix or granola bars. I mean, that's what you eat all the time. You want something you would never carry out, and that is what is just wonderful. So anyway, I'm excited to get to the pinnacle and eat my vegetables. That guy's running it. I've seen 2 runners on this trail. I guess this is how you get yourself in trail running shape. Running on rocks. But, scary. Probably cut myself. Alright, here we are. The pinnacle. El Pinnaculo. Oh, yeah. Actually, probably Pinnaculo. Look at that big old pile of rocks. Right. Oh, cool. Get more over here. Oh, this kind of makes me think of my cafe knob. Yeah, kind of reminds me. Very, very cool. Oh man, feet, shoes are off. Got a nice view, and look at my lunch. We've got, you know, my pepperoni pizza stuff here, and then look at these vegetables. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat these. Look at that, and they're so cold. Oh my god. And an apple. Oh yeah. That is good. Somebody is shooting fireworks. Although you'd think they wait till tonight when it's dark. This is really cool. So here's what it looks like. I'm gonna roll it all up, and I get to have 2 of these. Oh yeah, I think I'm just gonna eat these separately. Oh man. Oh, that's good. That's really good. I want to try one of these things. That's what they look like. It's pretty good. I'm letting my shirt dry out on this rock. But I have a sports bra on. It's fine. And I'm over here in a corner. It's okay. Thru hikers do it all the time. I'm going to enjoy my apple. And then I'm going to hit the trail. And I'll be at least somewhat dry, at least for a little bit. Oh man, that was a good lunch. Holy crap. Oh, the flies are a little bit annoying, but stop it. Why do you have to do that when I'm filming? Hello? I had a wonderful lunch break. Now I'm on the trail, headed to the shelter. Got about 5 miles for the day. Done a few short days here lately, but it's okay. I don't mind, especially, I mean, like I said, after that storm, I just really want to have time to dry out everything. And then I might try to do a bigger mile day tomorrow, but I mean, with all the rocks, I mean, it's really slowed me down anyway, so I don't know if I could do 2 bigger miles. Anyway, just, now if it gets to be like this the rest of the way, I know it isn't, but if it was, I could do faster miles. It's okay. I think I'm doing all right. This is pretty nice. This is a nice walk. Man, it's been like this for the last little bit. It's pretty nice. I can actually pick up the pace a little, which is nice.
Nice
Oh,
shoes.
hey.
My girlfriend would love those.
Oh. When he first said nice shoes, I was like, is he talking about my sock? And he's talking about my tie-dyed Crocs. Man, if it stays like this, holy smoke. I'm sorry, but this is what they're calling rocky. I'll take it. I'm sure it's, no, I mean, I went over a bunch of bigger rocks, but that's the thing is, I just don't think it's constant. You know, you get this, and then you get big rocks. Oh my God, it'd be awesome if it was like this till I get to the shelter. But either way, I'm still enjoying it for the time I have it. Oh, man, I had such a good lunch. Still thinking about it. Look at this, we've got like a green carpet. Oh yeah. Oh man. There's a lot of people out for, I mean not a lot. I mean relatively a lot considering most days. I don't see that many people. A lot of day hikers out. So it must be like parking nearby or something. Oh, I can feel that coolness. There's a cave somewhere around here. So I can feel the coolness from it. Well, hello, big old black snake. You're huge. Really? I was gonna go. Fine, you go first. Just hurry it up. Come on. He's using his tongue to feel the way. I could probably just hop over him, but we're gonna respect the wildlife and not get too close. Even if it looks like I'm close, I'm zoomed in. Have a good day, Snake. See you later, baby. Seriously, unnecessary. I mean, if I could find the people who did this, I would punch them straight in the face. Because it's absolutely unnecessary and it's not even funny. You're not funny. You're kind of an idiot. That's my feelings on your stupid comments. Yeah, it looks like there's a parking lot that direction. Looks like there's a campsite there. And here's the AT. It's kind of sad, really, that you have to even put a sign up that says no littering. I don't know. The whole littering thing just kind of baffles me. Because it's like you carried it out into the woods. Like you had to have been carrying it. What's the big deal to just keep carrying it out of the woods? I don't know. Yeah, the whole littering thing, it's a little it irks me a little just because I just cannot fathom how that seems like a logical thing to do. Just, hey, I'm just gonna throw my trash down here because I can. Anyway. Just sticking up for the nature. Sticking up for the outdoors. Don't litter. I'll take this kind of rocky any day. I maybe not the whole way to Maine, but you know. Look how neat it looks when it has it opened up. I think that's cool. And then there it is. Yep. Now it's even more of a road. You really can't complain about rocks though when you get stuff like this. And I've had this for like 3 miles at least. Or something similar. Apparently, I would say it used to be an old road, especially because the shelter is like an old house. And I have just 1.8, and I will be there. And I can dry everything out and clean myself. I mean, I could certainly go further today, that's for sure. Especially seeing how the terrain has been. But some days, you know, sometimes you just have to slow your pace down. It's okay. I think I still got plenty of time to get to Maine, honestly, because I mean, I'll pick up some mileage here, I think, in the next couple days, and maybe even into the other states. Not because they're necessarily easy, just, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I mean, it's not like I couldn't do a bigger day now. I just, when it rains like it does, I like to just dry everything out. Now there's a pretty nice campsite down there with water right here, but you got a little bit of a steep down and back up, but it might be worth it, especially if you wanted to have water close by. I just heard people. Yep. Back on the trail again. Alright, I've made it down to Hawk Mountain Road. Just gotta figure out how I go to get to the shelter. Hopefully there's a shelter on road. Well, thanks for that. Yes. That's cute. This is the only thing I don't like. Walking on roads. It can't be that far. Oh, that breeze was good. Here is the Eggville shelter. Oh, there's the tent area. Sidewalk, you are here. Shelter. Oh, there's the shelter over there. Cool. There's the tree. Shower house, privy, wash bucket. Oh, that's cool. So the shelter is closed, but you can tent and there is water, which is perfect. I'm fine with all of that. Look at this. Are these like little tent pads? I don't know. Hopefully I can just stand here in the yard. Cool. Wow, hello! You looking for a hammock spot? I was gonna say, that looks pretty good. I guess I can just tent here, huh? All right, I've got my tent set up. The pad is like, seems fine right now. It's not until I guess I lay on it. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll get lucky and it'll work. And then I've got some clothes drying here. And they're actually almost dry. So that's pretty awesome. That is pretty awesome. Yep, getting pretty close there. That's so awesome. Oh, there's a big open field here. It's pretty cool, but let me show you this back here. I thought it was a campsite, but I think it's a grave. The grave of Joe. I mean, maybe it was an old campsite, but it's not a very good campsite. But see, it looks like a campfire ring, sort of. But look, Joe. I mean, I don't know. Yeah. This is it back here. Oh, it just feels good to be able to dry off and have like a little bit more time at camp to like kind of relax a little before you have to like, because you know, a lot of times if you get there late, you just kind of have to set everything up, eat, and then you're going to bed, and I don't know, just it's nice to have a little extra time. And the nice thing is I was able to get my tent dry, so it's completely dry. My Tyveka's dry, but pretty much everything's dry at this point. So hopefully it doesn't rain. Sky looks pretty good. I don't know anything about clouds, but there is clouds, but they're all white. It'd be kind of cool if we saw some fireworks tonight. Look, there's a bunny here. He let me get really close to him, but I don't know if it was. He's so cute. Hi, Mr. Bunny. How was your evening? You're not scared. That's crazy. There's another one. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, tonight's dinner is chicken and dumplings. I am super excited. Oh, yeah. So good. And the nice thing is there's water up there that's already filtered, so you don't have to filter it. So it's just right in a faucet. This is pretty cool. This looks like it's supposed to rain. Maybe not much, but hopefully it won't. That's okay. I don't care if you talk in my videos. Another hiker. So laying here like this, the mattress seems to be somewhat okay. I mean, it's definitely got some air in it, so I don't know. But if I turn to my side, then my hip like touches the ground, like the floor of the tent. So I don't know. And it wasn't doing that until last night, so I don't know. And then right now it's freaking hot, and I don't have my blanket on. So I don't know. We'll see how tonight goes. It's pretty humid. It has not started raining or anything yet, so maybe it might not rain, which would be good because everything's nice and dry, and I like to keep it that way. So obviously today was not a very long day. It was like 10 miles, but I got to get everything dried out, and if it stays dry, then I'll be good. I want to try to do, I think like maybe like it's like 14 or 15 miles tomorrow, which is not huge, but it just depends on how tomorrow goes. But there's a section that's one of the harder sections. It's got a lot of rocks, and I was gonna not go past that part, but it's called Knife's Edge. But we'll see. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But after that, then the next day I could either probably make it into town to do a Nero, do like 10 more miles, and then make it into town. Or if I really wanted like a long Nero, I could go like to the shelter and then like 2 miles into town the next day. But I don't know if I want it to be that short of a Nero. I don't know yet. I guess we'll find out. But anyway, hope you all had a very happy 4th. I was hoping to have some fireworks. Oh well, that's okay. So happy 4th, and I will see y'all tomorrow.